Hey guys, Tasha Marie here. I just wanted to make a quick video right now, and we're going to talk about shipping items into Amazon. And I'm going to start with one product. I do not currently sell this product. It's just something I had in my home. I actually am going to use this product for more than just the one that we're going to do right now, because I have 4 of them here and we're going to do a set here in a minute. But this one we're going to use right now to show you how to do one. Right? So you have your poly bag, you need your tape gun. I'm sticking to the other poly bags. I have a tape gun. Then I also have my stickers already made. Actually, I only need this one for this one. And the point of this video is to show you how we do it, right? So how we would do this product in particular, you have to get that barcode covered, right? We would drop this in the bag, in a poly bag, and we may have a smaller poly bag, but I only brought this size up for the time being. And we would make sure that we would snug this up so that it would be nice and neat for the customer. We do poly bag almost everything that we send in, and the reason that we do that is because a warehouse is a dirty, dingy place. We sell a lot of grocery in our account, so we would snug this up with tape. And then we will put this label on. I'm going to stop my video for the sake of time and the tape making funny sounds, and then I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, I'm back. So I have taped down my poly bag, and another reason that you want to tape down your poly bag, Amazon requires it if the bag hangs over too much, because this package will be handled by machines, and in doing that, if the poly bag sticks out too far, it can get caught up in the machine, it can get ripped, and you don't want that to happen to your product. So as you can see here, I didn't cover the barcode before I put this item in the packaging, and the reason that we do that is we don't like to mess up the boxes. So when the customer gets this box and takes it out of the poly bag, it'll still be nice and new, just like when you buy it in the store. That's just our preference, but you can take this. We took a blank label. You can use other things as well. But I'm just covering up that barcode with that blank label. You do need to make sure that that's on there securely, because you don't want it to come off and then be able to scan that barcode, right? But then we just take our sticker and put it on our product so that when Amazon pulls this out of the box, the other end of the shipping, they will be able to quickly identify the product. They can scan that label and there's no other label, and it's snugged up in the package. So that is how we do a single unit, and I'm going to move on to a multi-pack here in just a minute. Thank you.